What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Them waiting for me to fall, but Jah, He's gonna make me stronger. So you will never see me a roadside a beg bread. No, no, no. My viewers and subscribers, welcome back guys to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. Stay alright. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. Guys, me outside this morning. You see the river side, you see the river, it never move. And that's why me I tell Uno, whether Jamaica say respect and love Uno country, love we country, because Jamaica is the place. Look there. You now move, alligator me in there. Well, I don't see Junior. Uno watch Junior video where the alligator just come up. Is a lucky, hey Junior. Big up yourself, youth. God is on your side, because the alligator there coulda take you out of the boat, or take the dog, or if you did go swim, the alligator there coulda just have you for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Holy faith, youth. Enough respect, Junior. Big up yourself. Love this thing. Love the program. Guys, I want to talk this morning, and what I want to talk about is Joker and Drizzy Burke and Knife Ninja and Colasmith. That me I go talk about this morning. Guys, me can't say what really happened to the team them, to the team member them. Me can't say what happened to it. But me go say something to each and every one of you. Did you all really sit down and listen to the voice note, the leak voice note that Drizzy...
Voice note? Hold on. Listen to voice note there.
Wagwan, Sam. You Wagwan?
No.
You know what I say? Last night, me dey on my live, bro. See? And 250 people come on my live and say, what kind of video that Drizzy sent out? I said to the people, them say, the people, when I forgot about that, man, everything good. The people, them say, no. The man sent out a video where a woman had this you, bro. And nobody did it to defend you. And I say, yeah, I say it going on, bro. I say it going on, bro.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, big up Drizzy, big up Six Bars, big up everybody. Me no like what go on. 200 had people that on my live and I talk and I say, boy, I fuck green do and rare. You know what Drizzy do? Go up on live, bro. Up on live, Sam. And this me wicked.
Yeah.
Wicked, Sam. Yo. JK call him and said to him, say, Drizzy, why you do that? What Joker do? The youth not do nothing, bro. The man go for me. Yo, Sam. I go fuck up Drizzy. Me, I go fuck up Drizzy. Hey, I tell you now. Hey.
What the man did, sir?
Hey, stop. Lick more, bro. Lick more, bro. Stop. Lick more, stop. I go fuck up him. Me, I go fuck him up. He's gonna come over here, you know. I go fuck up this, stop.
Burke player. Did you all listen to it? Did you listen and realize that Joker is the person that call the person on the other end of the phone? Me I speak justice, you know. At justice me I speak. Me not take no side for nobody. Joker call the individual. And if you listen good, you hear the individual I said to Joker say, how did Drizzy this you? Uno listen, man, uno listen. The individual say, how did Drizzy this you? And that's the time Joker I come off of the phone from him. Joker no want to talk no more, because Joker I start cry because that's how Joker operate when him in a trouble. Or yeah, that's Joker. I know Joker good, man. I know Joker good. But listen me good now. I may attack this because I want to understand. I want the content creator them understand. I want the content creator them our team also take notice. When you hear Drizzy say, everybody chat people, everybody gossip about people. Every single one of the team member them have something to say about the person in charge. Why? Why? The person in charge is the person in charge, and that person is the person who making most of the money. And it will forever be a problem, because when you go work at one company, the CEO make the millions and the whole heap of hundreds of thousands, you make the coins. And I saw it go from Wappy kill Philip and all when Philip I kill. No, all when Wappy I go kill Philip, I saw it I go. It not change, and it will never change, because you are not the owner or the founder of the business. However, if you listen to what Joker say, you hear what go on? You hear what go on? The man said no. Joker say, you see the video where Drizzy put out, people that on your live, I say, the video where people put, where Drizzy put out, Drizzy disrespect you. Now, listen to me good. People on your live come and tell you, say, Joker, Drizzy shouldn't put out that video there, because Drizzy disrespect you. Now, let me say this. The same way, oh, why don't we all just get drunk? The same way you, Joker, call that individual, if you tell that individual, if you see what Drizzy do, is the same way you, Joker, could have called Drizzy Burke. Is the same way you, Joker, could have called Drizzy Burke, just like how you call that individual and talk to that individual about the video that Drizzy put out. You could have called Drizzy and tell Drizzy that, Drizzy, me not like that video there. That video there make me feel bad or something. But you, Joker, didn't do it. Why didn't you call Drizzy? I mean, have me excuse. Why didn't you call Drizzy just like how you call that individual and say you don't like the video? You have Drizzy number. You know if you find Drizzy. But you did not call Drizzy. If you say to Drizzy, say, boy, you know, say that video there, I don't like that video there, because lady deal with me a certain way. And have a talk, have a dialogue with Drizzy. And that for sure you say is not about what Drizzy say. It's about you, Joker, have up Drizzy Burke within yourself. You don't see what me I talk about? I wonder if you don't see what me I talk about. The same way you call that person, that individual, you could have called Drizzy Burke. And that me say, and that me say. You could have called Drizzy Burke and say something to him, just like how you call that individual and tell them about what happened. In the comment section, I want to tell me if me wrong or right, because me soon here. Me soon I say how Drizzy this, Drizzy that, Drizzy this, Drizzy that. You know, think Joker could have called Drizzy just like how him called that individual and telling that individual where am I going to do to Drizzy, how am I going to mash up Drizzy, how am I going to destroy Drizzy. Him could have called Drizzy because at that time him and Drizzy good. But Drizzy believes say him and him good, but him and Drizzy never good within Joker mind. Now let me continue a little bit more with this thing. Now, what Joker say is, Joker say, if you see what go on, you see the video where Drizzy put out, brother? The man say no. Drizzy diss me. The people them say Drizzy diss me. The people them say. The people them say. Not Joker saying, the people them say. So listen here now. And this is where me go show you a lot of things we are going in the YouTube street and TikTok and all those things. People listen. Joker did not say, boy, Drizzy shouldn't put out that video that Drizzy diss me. Joker said, the people them say. The people them say, Drizzy diss your Joker. And because the 350 or 300 and how much people tell Joker, say Drizzy diss him, Joker say, yes, Drizzy diss me. Uno see what happened? Joker, who should be the influencer, was influenced by the people in comment section. Joker take what the people in comment section said and say, yes, Drizzy diss me. And go off crazy. Go off crazy, start talking all kind of things. Now, me go say something. Uno notice Drizzy say Joker go to him friend them with him name. Listen to what Joker say. JK call him Joker. No. Have me excuse. JK call him Drizzy and say, Drizzy, Joker, you shouldn't do that. How did Drizzy, Mark, you know? Joker never called Drizzy, you know? Joker never called Drizzy, Drizzy never called Joker, you know? How did Joker know that JK called Drizzy Burke? How did Joker know that? That simple mean is either JK call Joker or Joker call JK. Now, you know, see which part the problem there. Because if you do something, Joker and Drizzy Burke work. Joker and JK don't work. So if Drizzy do something what you not like, just like how you get a communication from JK, you don't think you could have called Drizzy Burke. No. Fantan Moja. Uno see what me a talk about? Do you see what I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen? Comment in the comment section down below if you know what me talk about. All of this could have not happened if Joker take up him phone and call Drizzy Burke and say, yo, Drizzy, you know, say, a video them, I like that video there. This, guys, listen to me. This is how Drizzy talk. This is how Joker talk. Why, Drizzy, me not like that. Me not like that, you know, brother. Me not like that, you know. I think if we take down that, you know, I saw Joker talk. When Joker want something. I saw Joker talk when Joker want something. When Joker have his money in his pocket, I saw Joker go on when he have his money in his pocket. But when Joker want something, Joker different. Joker can change in reflection, in not in complexion, in reflection, in delivery. Just like that. That's who Joker is. Joker smart. Joker is, listen to me, Joker is a very smart youth. Very, very, very smart. So to be honest with you, if you see Joker allow people to influence him, to tell him say, Drizzy diss you. And then him say, yes, Drizzy diss me, me not like the video. And that's how he go. And you see how it go. Listen to the word. You see how it go? You see how it go. That simple mean what? Then after you say you see how it go, you say big up Drizzy, big up everybody still. But at the same time, you never call Drizzy. But you also can say what JK say when none of us don't see it in the video. So that means you and JK correspond. In other words, me I go be a devil's advocate. I don't believe JK watched that video and see it and call Drizzy and say, Drizzy, what kind of video this? I don't believe JK is going to put his hand in Drizzy's business like that. It have never happened. So how all of a sudden it happened? What did you do, Joker? Did you call JK complaining about the video after your crew tell you, say, Drizzy, this yo, guys, me I go left the rest of it for another day. No, let we move over. Now, let us move over to Colasmith and Knife Ninja. Do you all see the same pattern? Do you all see the same pattern with Drizzy Burke, Joker, Colasmith, Knife Ninja? Do you all see the same pattern? It's the same pattern because Drizzy Burke and Colasmith is the one who is making the lump sum of the money. You all see that? Now listen to this. When Colasmith and Knife Ninja was together as a team member, apparently Knife Ninja claims that Colaz wasn't answering his call. At least he was calling, Joker did not. So he decided that because Colasmith not answering his call, and apparently he feel tired of what Colasmith is not doing, he decided to left the camp. Mark, you know, he decided to go on his own wish. I believe he was on his own. I thought he was on his own. I thought he was just doing the cooking for Colaz, but making his own videos. I didn't know he didn't have nothing for himself. That's for another day. I didn't know he didn't have nothing for himself to make videos and all these things. So my thing is, why is it that the teams always have somebody that is causing some problem because of following what people is saying? In the Colasmith situation with Knife Ninja, Knife Ninja claims that Colaz not answering the phone, but guess what? Knife Ninja and Colaz grew up, I partially grew up together. So the thing is, you know where Colasmith base is. You know where Colasmith live. You know where Colasmith is. So if you can't get him on the phone, why not drive to go check him? Huh? Why not drive to go check him to say, yo, General, what go on? I know, say me I call you, but me not get here, you know. What go on? Everything good? You can do that. You could have do that. But no, social media. It is more profitable to jump on social media to blast out everything out there. It is more profitable to do that. Just like what Joker did. Joker, the same way Joker called that individual to report that Joker Drizzy Burke diss him, is the same way him could have called Drizzy Burke. And it's the same way. It's the same way Knife Ninja could have gone down to to Colasmith's place. That's the same way he could have gone down there. No. Big up Fantan Moja, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up Fantan Moja family. Yeah, man. Big them up. Big them up, my people. Big them up. Because I tell you, Fantan Moja drop out and we are singing song and we are singing. Yes, my people. Fantan Moja drop out and we are singing song every day. Say mama hungry, sister hungry, brother hungry, mama hungry. Do something for the poor. Open up the door. Tell him mama hungry. Big up yourself, rest in peace, Fantan. Cause me I tell you out. Me I tell you. Enough thrown out there. But guys, listen to me I say. Listen to me I say. It is obvious that these two people was carrying a bigger vendetta than the rest of team members. Listen me good. Just as the Drizzy say, maybe the only person in them team no have nothing bad to say about each other is 6 Boss, because 6 Boss is just 6 Boss. But remember, everywhere you go in a life, that person beside you have something bad to say about you. You don't believe me? You better believe me. Even the woman where you sleep with in a bed have something bad to say about you. Hold on, you know see the soldier man them? How did that woman end up with 2 soldier man? And by the way, how did that woman end up carrying another soldier man in the soldier man house? So you see me I talk about why you think maybe he tell him say him no good or they no there, or you see me I say, so people is going to talk about you no matter who you is or how you is. But if you sit down and look on the Drizzy Burke and Colasmith situation, they are not different. They're the same, it's only in different ways. But once you're on a team, something happen, just like a business, just like a company. Look, hold on. Do you see how much people are lose them work? Through to social media. Because something happened at the work, something happened in the work, and instead of they're pacify it out with the company, they went on social media and talk about it, and you notice how much of them losing their work over it, because it's a business. And if something is not right, if there's something that you don't like, you should talk to the boss, you should talk to the what you call them? I don't remember what the name right now. But the HR, yes, the HR, you must go talk to HR, or you talk to your boss, or you go talk to somebody within the company. Once you leave outside the company, take it to social media, now you're in a danger zone. You have all right to lose your job. You have, because now you go outside the policy. Guys, make this where you see happen to with Colasmith, Knife Ninja, Drizzy Burke, Joker. Take this as a lesson. Yeah, take this as a lesson that you and your friend can fall out. But if it's your friend, you shouldn't take it to social media. And if you want to take it to social media, well, that's your business still. But if it's your friend and you go on social media, don't make people in the comment section influence you to do things their way. Listen me. I love my viewers and subscribers. I love them. But whenever time my viewers and subscribers say things to me, I look into it first. And I said, yeah, I think about it. I don't just make it go like that. I think about everything that my viewers and subscribers said to me. And I go tell you something. Listen to what I'm telling you now. I listen to what my viewers and subscribers say one time so much that I didn't even was making content. Because they said, Rodney, don't do that. And I stopped doing it. And guess what? When I stopped doing it, my views drop. I think that time I get paid from $200. I think $200 or $100 and something dollars. Because the content, nobody wasn't watching the content. Because and then them same one come and tell me that the content I was making at that time, they said that wasn't me. They said that wasn't me. So I said, what? So I should make that one. But I start make that one. But that wasn't me, but that was me. So the thing is, you have to listen to your viewers and subscribers, but you don't have to follow everything they say. And I go say this to Joker if you are listening to this video, and to anybody who are listening to this video. If you analyze or if you make a video, and when you make the video, somebody is going to say to you, yo, Joker, Drizzy this, your man. Drizzy shouldn't put out that video there. It's your life, and you must know if the man diss you on your own. You shouldn't make anybody tell you, say, the man diss you. You should know if it's a disrespect that. I watch you, Joker, and this is the part of the problem where I hope and pray that you all is looking at. You see, Joker used to get up early in the morning and go at Drizzy yard, go fix up and help Drizzy and do all kind of stuff, because that's how Joker is. Let me say this to each and every one of you. Joker is that kind of person because that's how Joker making money. Me I gotta be honest. That's how Joker making money. You hear Joker say when he might go over JK, listen good, you know, listen good. When he might go at JK and we carry foods and all kind of things. Do you think Joker is going to just pick breadfruit, ackee and thing, carry go town go give JK just so? Let me laugh off at you. Do you think Joker just pick breadfruit and pepper and ackee and all kind of something, just bringing it to JK Arthur, which is Drizzy Burke friend? Drizzy Burke is the one who let Joker know JK. Do you think Joker just pick them things care over there? Anything Joker anything Joker do for you, Joker want money. Anything Joker want money. Say mama hungry, brother hungry, sister hungry, auntie hungry, cousin hungry. Do something for the poor. Open up the door. Tell them mama hungry, and brother hungry, sister hungry. Do something for the poor. Open up the door. You never see. But my viewers and subscribers, on a serious note, people need to take these things in consideration. People need to take these things in acknowledgement. People need to take accountability for them action, because guess what happened? When you sit down and you listen to where Joker say, and you listen to where Drizzy Burke say, you really have to think, look into it. After everything done, after everything done, the video done, food done, everything done, everybody was in good aspect. To me, if Joker never like what happened, him know say the video will come out. And this is what would like people do. Take accountability, yeah? Because that's what we're lacking, all of we. Lacking accountability. If you just do a video and you know say every video of Drizzy make, Drizzy post them, all you have to do, you sit down and you say, Drizzy, you know say, oh, that lady they deal with me still, me not like it, you know. Yeah man, that lady don't deal with me good. I wonder if you could have cut out some of it. Yeah, you could have do that. Joker could have do that. Joker could have do that because remember, said Drizzy said when everything done, Joker and the lady, them have a wonderful time. So that simple mean Drizzy did it still. You could have, if you did feel bad about what happened, you would never go hug up the lady and talk to the lady and take all money from the lady and all kind of something. And then you could have go to Drizzy and tell Drizzy, say, me not like that video there, you know. I wonder if you can cut out some of it. At least you could have dialogue with Drizzy. But I believe that is because of the people them will come pan the comment section of your video, pump you up. And to be honest with you, if you can make people pump you up that bad for you to lose your money, yeah, that's sad. Me I be honest, Joker, you know, me know you good. People when me say me know Joker good, me know Joker good. Even the other day when me go to Jamaica, me and Joker chat. Pan the Pizza, down a Brumbrook. Right cross which part, when him name there, have him food shop. And you have a food truck now. I think remember when name I wrote it. I can't remember, my brain I go. So when you check it out, and I like me I take up nothing. Me just don't like what me see, and me have to talk about it. Yeah, me don't like what me see because the two man them are two people me know. And them could have angled it better and different. But you cannot is going to make people tell you this and that, and then you lose your bread. That's the thing. You can't make you lose your bread. It doesn't matter how little, how small, or how big it is. Your bread is your bread. You have to respect your bread. Not saying you go make Joker or nobody, no Joker, Drizzy or nobody walk upon you just for money. But at the end of the day, you have to sit down and think about your bread. So me I say, anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, I Summit stay. The channel no name Real Talk TV for any different reason. It name Real Talk TV because of how me talk. Me just all lay it down there. If you don't like it, I just say go, me can't do nothing about it. Somebody have to talk the truth, somebody have to talk the reality. And what me I say is, if the team, I may say this good, you see, can me look on this different still. Drizzy Burke start out him channel with Bada Cat.